Transforming claims with temporary housing solutions. Disasters, whether large-scale catastrophes or everyday home incidents, can turn life upside down in a moment. For policyholders, the immediate need is clear: a safe place to stay. For insurers, meeting that need swiftly and compassionately is vital, not just to fulfill a policy, but to deliver peace of mind. Welcome to Crawford Temporary Housing Solutions, where we help carriers streamline housing placement, preserve additional living expense limits, and support families when it matters most. When a home becomes uninhabitable, policyholders face emotional stress, logistical hurdles, and uncertainty. In these moments, temporary housing isn't just about shelter. It's about restoring normalcy, preserving dignity, and enhancing the overall claims experience. For insurance carriers, it's more than checking a box. It's a key driver of customer satisfaction and loyalty. Although housing sits outside the scope of physical restoration, it is often the most visible daily reminder of a family's loss and how the carrier responds. Crawford simplifies the process with a scalable, tech-enabled model. Our platform connects policyholders to more than 300% more housing options than traditional standalone providers, ranging from hotels and apartments to homes and sharing economy listings. This reduces sourcing time by up to 80% and lowers loss costs by as much as 12 to 15%. Whether a claim involves pets, accessibility needs, or other complexities, we align each placement to policyholder needs, ALE limits, and carrier goals. In fact, more than 60% of housing requests involve pets, and 70% of those include multiple animals. We handle those nuances with speed and care. Our vetted housing network is open to any provider that meets our standards. That means flexibility for carriers and new opportunities for housing partners. Every placement is handled through a single impartial process, reducing liability, avoiding disputes, and delivering a smoother experience from day one. Let's talk results. One evening, a policyholder's home caught fire. Within an hour, Crawford secured a pet-friendly hotel. Within 5 business days, we sourced 4 long-term housing options. Just 8 days after the fire, the family was comfortably settled in a multi-story apartment. That's the Crawford difference: fast, thoughtful, effective. And we don't stop there. Crawford actively manages indemnity accuracy. We reduce unnecessary hotel nights, sometimes saving up to $2,800 per claim. We use real-time restoration tracking to know when a home is livable, not just repaired. And through competitive bidding in wholesale hotel bookings, we help carriers control costs without compromising care. We also provide consolidated reporting, putting all housing data, costs, performance metrics, and vendor comparisons in one place. That's the transparency adjusters and operations leaders need to make smarter, faster decisions. Clear livability criteria guide every housing decision. If a home lacks heat, water, a working kitchen or bathroom, or is unsafe in any way, it's not livable. We help carriers apply these standards consistently to ensure benefits are used appropriately and expectations are aligned. The scale of temporary housing's impact is significant: over $3.5 billion in annual carrier spend. Second only to restoration in overall claim cost, and a major influence on policyholder satisfaction. Take the 2015 Aliso Canyon gas leak. Thousands of families displaced by the largest methane release in U.S. history. Crawford Temporary Housing Solutions helped more than 9,000 households find accommodations, some for more than a year. In moments like these, our ability to mobilize quickly and deliver customized solutions makes all the difference. At its core, temporary housing is more than a transaction. It's a bridge between crisis and recovery. It's a strategic lever that improves claims efficiency, financial performance, and, most importantly, human outcomes. When your policyholder feels safe and supported, the entire claims process flows more smoothly. Crawford Temporary Housing Solutions is built for this purpose, delivering scalable, tech-forward services that drive results for carriers and real relief for those affected. Crawford Temporary Housing Solutions, elevating the claims experience. Temporary housing is more than a bridge between disruption and repair. It is a strategic lever for improving claims efficiency, customer satisfaction, and financial performance. When policyholders feel safe and supported, the entire claims process becomes smoother, faster, and more successful. Connect with Crawford today to elevate your claims experience, because every policyholder deserves more than just a place to stay. They deserve peace of mind. Learn more at contractorconnection.com.